Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free audit of the website ttaudio.ca. So I'm on a homepage. I really love the quality images, the quality photography. The focus is on the image, and you show right away what you're selling. So these are obviously the earbuds or earphones. I would optimize the title to be a little bit more user friendly. So for someone who's not familiar with this brand name or this brand number, I would simply put what you are selling. So for example, the cordless earphones or whatever, or wireless earphones or earbuds. So whatever is your keyword, whatever is the most searched for phrase, I would put it here instead of the brand name, because the brand name can go into longer product title. It doesn't have to be on a tagline, and you will get this kind of instant recognition what you're selling, so you don't stop visitors in their tracks, thinking, okay, is it like specialist brand of earphones or earbuds? So think about how to make your store much more accessible for wider audience, much more user friendly as well. However, buy now is button here to link to the product page. Amazing price, amazing buy is good, amazing price. I mean, you could put a price here, or you could put a little bit more specific tagline here as well. However, you've got really nicely optimized top navigation as well, search bar, another navigation here, which is fantastic. So the above default, the navigation is really nicely organized, so that's great. Allow this free standard shipping info, money back guarantee. So this kind of information, please contact us via email. Okay, perfect. I would link it, for example, I would link it to be linked to like hyperlink, so people can click it and email you right away, or at least linked to your contact us page would be much more user friendly. Featured products, again, very good quality. Images, I would display 2 or 3 items per row, because your items are quite premium. You're selling quite premium products, premium pricing, and this kind of display doesn't really reflect the whole beauty of your product. So if you shown 2 or 3 items per row, those images would be automatically stretched out to the full width, making them much bigger, much more prominent. People will have much easier access to see the product in detail. Otherwise, these details are a little bit lost. However, the product has excellent finish. It just needs to be reflected a little bit more on the website, give your website a little bit more premium feel. Okay, so additional products here. So reviews, the footer looks fantastic as well. I love the logo. It's a shame this logo, I mean, it's beautiful, but it's kind of, it feels lost in the header navigation. So think about how to organize this a little bit better. Also, the red doesn't look best on this background. So think about how to display the logo a little bit clearer without obviously compromising on this header layout. But you've got hyperlinked email address, professional email address here as well, which is perfect. Extra navigation, which is great as well. Also remember to open all the social media links in new tab, so you don't lose valuable traffic from your website if someone clicks on Facebook or Instagram page. I noticed that whenever I click on your collection page, it shows me only 1 or 2 items, which is not the best user experience when it comes to browsing. So think about how to organize your products better to show at least 10 or 15 products for each collection page, so you don't ask people to keep clicking, because the the goal of this exercise should be to reduce the number of clicks when you organize your content, not to add to the number of clicks. So think about how to merge few of those collections a little bit better, and then perhaps divide the items into sub collections if needed, but then give people the option to view all of those items, and then perhaps subdivide them further if they wanted further sub collections. I would organize this collection page a little bit better. As I mentioned, I would display 2 or 3 items per row in order to make them display in at full width. Reduce this sidebar doesn't really add anything. It gives you a little bit this kind of cheap layout, which I feel that you want to avoid because you've got premium branding. So think about going for minimalist layout with only few elements that distract the attention from buying. The collection page looks great. I don't feel you need so many attention grabbing elements on the product page. Go for a minimalist layout. You can move these icons below the product description. So above the fold, you see only product image, obviously extra images, price, all of those elements add to cart. But those best-selling products, they don't need to be above the fold. They can be moved lower. Otherwise, people just don't know where to look. The attention should be really on the add to cart button when someone opens your product page. This is how the best converting stores organize their content. At the moment, they might be, they might want to click on the other product. They might want to view this. They might want to share this product. So obviously, you take attention from buying, which can significantly affect your conversion. So think about how to organize your product page layout a little bit better for conversion. Otherwise than that, you will lose the valuable traffic that you work so hard on. You will lose the traffic because it won't be converting. So it needs those kind of final touches on the website. Who we are or about us page is very generic. It looks like any business could make the same claims. What I would love to see is to see really who is behind the brand. This is what people are really looking for when they click on about us page. They want to see who's the team, who is responsible for picking the products, what kind of experience they've got in this niche. This is how you really build the rapport with your potential customers. You build the authority as you've got knowledge in this brand, and this is how you build trust as well. So don't talk about your mission statements. Talk about yourself. Talk about your team. This is really great way to boost your conversion rate further. Your contact us page looks great. I love the professional email addresses here. I would also optimize them for one-click contact, so hyperlink them as well. Your SEO score is 59 out of 100, so it's definitely room for improvement. The H tags are not in the right order. You are missing vital H1 tag, which should be assigned to the page title, and then the order should be H1, H2, H3, H4, H5. So it's not the best solution to jump from one H tag to the other. It's quite confusing for Google bots, so make sure to avoid this kind of content organization. Remember to add more content that is SEO friendly. At the moment, your keywords are focused on non-breaking space, which is basically the extra space that you add within the content. So this is not that. Obviously this is generic dynamic hi-fi. You should really yeah, the um, the keyword that you want to rank for is obviously the earbuds, earphones, and so on, wireless. So these are the keywords that should be really focused within your content. You're missing it. So it means that Google will have difficulties placing you in more relevant search results, which means the traffic coming to the website won't be likely to convert. So think about optimizing your content a little bit better to to help you rank for those keywords, because you want to rank for the keywords people are searching for. This is the only way to bring the relevant traffic from Google. So think about optimizing the content at this stage. Again, amount of content is not there, so think about adding more written content, especially blog posts. Make sure to blog regularly. Image alt tags. Remember to add alt tags to all of the images you add. They are very important for Google as well. Your URLs are not SEO friendly yet, so think about optimizing them a little bit better. Make sure they're easier to understand for Google. They're shorter and they describe the page. They contain your keywords as well. Your website loads quite slow. So normally the websites right now, Shopify websites load at around 1 second. You've got almost 3 seconds, so it's on the verge of being not user friendly, which can definitely affect your SEO. So think about working on the elements mentioned in any of those speed testing tools. Think about optimizing your images. Think about optimizing any of the coding that currently affects your loading speed. Otherwise, you will have difficulties ranking at the top, because Google wants to rank super user-friendly websites, which includes websites that load super fast as well. I hope you found this audit useful. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And make sure to book a free chat with our Shopify experts to get more information about anything that was mentioned in a critique, to learn how to optimize your store a little bit further for the conversion. This 15 minutes non-obligation chat is available for all of those who booked free audit. This is a chat with our Shopify experts, so don't miss it out. Make sure to book it now, and the link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. I'll speak with you soon. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.